In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Wise doesn't send text code. If you're stuck waiting for a verification text that never shows up, don't worry. There are a few quick checks that usually solve it, and a reliable alternative you can switch to so you're not dependent on SMS in the future. Start by confirming your phone number is entered exactly right, including the correct country code. It only takes a single wrong digit to stop a security message from arriving. Take a moment to look closely at the full number you've saved for your Wise login and make sure it matches your current SIM. Next, check your phone's connection to the mobile network. SMS needs an active signal, so ensure airplane mode is off, your SIM is active, and you have reception bars. If you're traveling or roaming, network handoffs can delay or block messages, so staying in a spot with stable coverage can help. Even if data isn't required for text messages, a flaky network often affects SMS delivery too. Have a quick look at your messaging app as well. If your SMS inbox is full, new texts may be blocked until there's space. Also, review any spam filters, message blocking settings, or third-party apps that screen texts. Features like block unknown senders, SMS firewalls, or settings that reject enterprise or verification messages can silently intercept a code. Temporarily relaxing those filters can let the message through. Then, give it a little time. Carriers sometimes delay one-time codes, especially during peak traffic. Wait a few minutes before trying again, and avoid tapping resend repeatedly in rapid succession. Too many requests in a short window can trigger rate limits and slow things down even more. If SMS proves unreliable because of network issues, SIM changes, or travel, you can switch to a more dependable sign-in method right inside the Wise app. Open the Wise app, go to Settings, and select two-step login or security. From there, choose either app-based login with push notifications or an authenticator app for your two-factor method. App-based login lets you approve sign-ins directly in the app on a trusted device, while an authenticator app generates rotating codes that work even without mobile signal. Once you set one of these up, SMS codes become optional, so your login stays smooth even if a text doesn't arrive. With these checks and the alternative method in place, you'll be able to get back into your account confidently and keep things secure without the stress of missing codes.